What is going on, you guys? Larry Cassar, 1999 here. We've done some work to the tractor. We got a lot of work still to do. Not gonna start it up right now. But as you can see, you got, yep, that. Where my foot is there. Fix the screw holes. And I'll show you what other things we've done. Oh yeah, that side's good. Fix that, even though it's still a little off. Filled up these pinholes, and then on this side we took care of all these. And some screws here for this fender. I might tighten up a little bit more. We'll see. And then the hood. You kind of see there. There, kind of wanted to basically plug up those holes. Currently the tractor still needs some work, but video will show some progress we've done. Been still working on it. Yeah, it still needs some work, but it will run. It's just I gotta work on it. But we're getting somewhere at least. And it looks like this tire's a little bit low. I can just tell. But other thing we did, or I'm planning. Oh yeah, got the gas gauge working. That's good. So on this note here, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more like stuff like this, you know, hit the bell notification, and other thing, share this with all your people you like, friends and, well, family and everything. So we'll see you all later.